Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the essentials and launching the first steps now. You pick a model based on speed versus quality, then verify your hardware, GPU preferred, or at least 4 cores and 8 GB RAM. Once ready, load the model weights or connect your API key so the system can initialize. Make sure to enable safety filters early to avoid toxic outputs. Finally, run a short sanity test with a 1-2 sentence prompt to confirm inference works and latency is acceptable. You continue by crafting prompts and tuning the model's behavior. This is the complex middle of the process. First, structure prompt layers: context, clear instruction, optional examples, and explicit constraints so the model knows boundaries. Next, iterate on hyperparameters: lower temperature for deterministic replies, higher for creativity. Change top P or max tokens and compare 3 variations. Once done, add chain of thought or stepwise prompts for multi-step tasks, and evaluate outputs against. You finish by deploying and validating the complete pipeline, then addressing common failures. Deploy on a local service, container, or cloud API, and automate startup scripts so models restart safely. Monitor latency, error rates, and hallucinations while logging prompts and responses for audits. If outputs are off, simplify the prompt, lower temperature, or add targeted examples and constraints. That fixes most issues. If responses fail repeatedly, check token limits, memory, or mismatch between model capacity and task complexity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.